today we are going to be doing an unboxing video in my room.
This is it. Today is the big day. Monster Jam. We get a break from the baseball for just today. Big game tomorrow. Astros, Rangers. We'll see what happens. But today, Monster Jam tonight. So, with that energy, we wanted to unbox the truck we've had our eye on for a long time down there at Performance RC. We've been eyeballing it every time we go in. We decided it's a perfect weekend to bring it home and let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. You ready? You want to do it? Yeah, let's do it. Monster Jam. So this is a licensed product, right? It's a Grave Digger. Grave Digger from Monster Jam. You can see logos on here. It's the real deal. We've seen tons of good reviews on this thing. We're going to get it unboxed today, and we'll run it tomorrow, and we'll have another video telling you what we think of it, how it performs. So, looks like this, and this is already cut, so we'll just turn it. You have to see here. Lift up. Yeah, you lift up that side, I'll lift up this side. Got it? Alright. We'll put this on your bed. Son of a digger pillow. We've had that for a while. We've been big fans of Monster Jam for many decades, even when I was a child. Alright, so how do you want to do this? You want to pull it out sideways? It sits in here upright. Let's do that. Pull it out. Grab it from right here. And like that. And then pull it out. And I'll pull up top. Got it?
Yep.
There we go. There it is. Alright, now let's flip it over. Alright. As you pull this side off, we gotta get the boxes off. So it looks like the wheels are inside of these little inserts. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead, I'll hold it still. There we go. Move this side off. Oh, it's beautiful. It's big. It's big. I didn't expect for it to be this big. Stand back here with it. Look how big it is. See him? See this thing's huge. Alright, go ahead and do the honors and pull the wrap off. I'll get the rest out. Rest of it's just packaging and probably the remote box and manual. Manual's all very important. Got it?
Yep.
Alright, let's put this over here. Perfect. Look at this thing. Big tires, nice and plush, thick. Definitely feels like oil-filled shocks. Wheelie bar back here. You can hear some binding in there. It's not too horrible. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at all the sponsor tags on it underneath the frame. We'll get some better shots of it later for it. Watch it on Instagram. We'll post some better pictures of it. Beautiful graphics on the body. Beautiful truck. Let's see. Man, those are some huge shocks. I don't know if you can see it from behind. Those are some huge shocks. I love it. Love it with the red lights in front. I mean, this thing is amazing. Let's see what kind of remote control we got in here. Manual. Oh, actually batteries for the remote control. Looks like a battery strap, some extra body supports, and battery spacers for different batteries. I think it's 2S and 3S, but we don't really have any 2S. All of ours are 3S. So that's what we're going to run, and that's what it seems like has been running the best in these from what we've seen. Standard Spectrum, DX3 remote. It's nice. It's good. We're used to it. We have a couple others with this one. The wheels are pretty cool. I wonder if there's like a body clip or if it's just screws. Let's see here. What is that? What's this body? Those two. That's a body clip. I don't know. We'll have to figure this out. Either way, we'll have another video getting it apart, getting into it, running it, But man, we're excited for tonight. We're cutting it kind of close. So this is it. This is the Grave Digger truck. We're excited for it. We're going to run it a lot. We're going to try and do some of those flips. We're going to build some containers to flip it on and run it over and do stuff with. So that'll be fun. That'll be fun to build. What do you think? What do you think about it? You like it?
Yes, I really do.
It looks pretty sweet, huh? Yeah. Like, I don't know if the camera is doing these graphics on this body justice, but they look absolutely amazing. Amazing. Good job, Losi. Great job on this. The scale detail is awesome. You know, hopefully we'll grab some videos from tonight, and you know, we'll cut those into the next video with running this thing tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. I love this thing. I can't wait. We'll get some batteries charged up tonight, and we'll have some fun. All right, guys. Maybe we'll see you down there if you're going to be over down at NRG tonight. Monster Jam, 6:30. I'm pretty sure they mentioned Grave Digger is going to be running tonight, so hopefully so. We'll see you there. All right?
Yep.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Bye.